Verbal Tap, episode 30. To celebrate, we're trying something we've never tried before, and we would like to apologize for what we are trying. It's our faces. Here with our first podcast preview via video, myself, and of course, Raf Esparza. Raf, how are you doing tonight?
I'm doing great, man. How are you doing tonight?
I'm doing really great. You know why? Because we're talking UFC 162.
Are we?
You're going. You are going to UFC 162.
Wait, am I going?
Oh, stop playing coy. This isn't fun for me to beat this out of you every time.
But it's kind of fun for me.
You're going to be sitting there at the Cosmo. Here's what's happening in my mind. You're at the Cosmo pool just cheersing Dana White. Each of you have your own bottle of Cristal in hand.
Oh, no.
He's just yelling at ring girls.
I'm pretty sure there was a memo about no Cristal this year. I think it's just strictly champagne.
It's okay. Well, either way, you guys are just going to be throwing at each other. Are you elated? Are you really excited? You have press credentials?
Yes.
Are you ready to get to our 30th episode?
Actually, no. I have one small surprise for you.
A 30th episode gift, Ref, you shouldn't have.
I know I shouldn't have, but I did.
What did you get me?
It's something I think you're really going to like.
How, scale of 1 to Carlos Condit's here, how much am I going to like this?
Better than Carlos Condit.
Better than Carlos Condit.
Are you ready for it?
Oh my God.
It's John Evans.
Oh,
he's back.
Is he here to gloat about the fact that he's going with you to UFC
Probably.
162?
Are we going to UFC 162?
Are we?
Oh my God, that's amazing!
Is so great.
Oh, you two are fucking adorable together.
Thank you.
Yeah.
But look, you can't hate on this face. Look at this face. Look at it.
It is a likable face. It's not an
likable
unlikable face. I'm going to jump right to, can we please get to the podcast tonight, episode 30, where we talk 162. We're going to talk some things about the UFC, and Game Changer, we have a surprise from Mr. Evans.
Boom. A surprise for the surprise. You didn't even know it.
Let's double the surprises.
There's that surprise face.
Technically, yes.
Uh-oh.
But come check us out, verbaltapcast.com, episode 30. Stay tuned. It's going to be a good one. Check back in with us at verbaltapcast.com. We'll see you there. Stop it. Everybody stop.
This was my face. That was my
Stop it.
face.
Put your face away.
There's a good face. Hey.